Nothing but here three possibilities are occurred. That threefold degeneracy is created. Threefold degeneracy is created. Nothing but nx square plus ny square plus nz square. Nothing but 4 plus 1 plus 1. Nothing but 6. So on that way you get the result. Energy E is equal to 6 by 2 into h cut square pi square by m l square. This 2 in terms of 3. Then the first excited state value is 3 h cut square pi square by m l square. It has 3 degrees of degeneracy. After we get the result, some energy result is 27 by 2 into h cut square pi square m L square. So it has a 4 degree of degeneracy. That 4 degree possibilities can be taken as 3, 3, 3, 5, 1, 1, 1, 5, 1, 1, 1, 5. Based on this, ultimately get the final answer is 27. So 27. That 27 is getting with respect to 4 possibilities. So on that energy point of view, you have the 4 degrees of degeneracy. Entire derivation is derived with respect to, first we are derived with respect to one dimension. After deriving the one dimension, you can convert it into y dimension and z dimension. These three are mixed, you get the result is total energy in 3-dimensional point of view. The total energy expression is pi square h cut square by 2 m l square into nx square plus ny square plus nz square. Based on this nx, ny, nz values are always be positive values and non-zero numbers. Non-zero numbers. Suppose you have the zero number, that zero values can be taken as ground state. But according to the derivation point of view, these nx, ny, nz are non-zero numbers. On that way, you can take as nx is equal to 1, nz is equal to 1, ny is equal to 0. So 1 state can be taken as ground state. You can substitute 1, 1, 1, you get the result is energy in the ground state is 3 by 2 h cut square pi square by m into l square. That is called as your ground state energy. Based on that first excited state, I am taking after 1, 1, 1, you can take the nx values, probabilities are 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2. So here the possibilities are 3. So in the first excited state, they occurred 3 energy levels, that is 3-fold degeneracy. Based on that, you can substitute and get the first excited state energy can be taken as 3 into h cut square pi square by m into l square. In similar way, you can calculate every energy level energy. Every energy of the given energy level you can calculate it. The basic expression is E is equal to h cut square pi square by 2ml square into nx square plus ny square plus nz square. Here L is nothing but length of the box, length of the cubical box. We are considering the structure is cubical. So on that way, L is represented as length of the cubical box. Nx, ny, nz are the integer values. Those integers must and should be non-zero integer. These nx, ny, nz values are non-zero integers and also positive values only. Based on these positive values, the minimum values can be taken as nx is equal to 1, ny is equal to 1, nz is equal to 1. These are belongs to represented as ground state. The energy particularly at the ground state energy. So based on the nx, ny, nz all are non-zero numbers. Those point of view, the ground state energy have nx, ny, nz values can be taken as 1 because non-zero and are positive values. Non-zero and positive value. In the positive values point of view, the least number can be taken as 1. So the least value is nothing but ground state energy. So the ground state energy is occurred based on nx, ny, nz. We can substitute 1, 1, 1. You get the result is ground state energy is 3 by 2 h cut square pi square by ml square. So L is nothing but length of the box, m is nothing but mass of the particle, h cut is value is h by 2 pi, pi value is 3.14. So based on this expression, after get the ground state point of view, you get the higher energy levels. In the higher energy levels, you can take one possibilities nx, ny, nz more than more than the 0 values, we are taking 2, and in place of 1 1 1, here changing 2, here changing 2, here changing 2. How many possibilities are there? You occur 3 possibilities. So in the first excited state point of view, you get 3 excited levels are created. First excited level is divided into 3 particles, 3 energy levels. In you have the best example, energy is equal 27 by 2 h square pi square by ml square. The base point, this 27 is nothing but nx square plus ny square plus nz square is equal to 27. This 27 is occurred with respect to 4 possibilities of nx, ny, nz point of view. The 4 possibilities can be taken as those values: 3, 3, 3, 5, 1, 1, 1, 5, 1, 1, 1, 5. Remaining any possibility is not satisfy the equation. This one 27, only 27 is occurred with respect to these, not the fractional values. You can take the integer values, we can take the integer values. So only these 4 possibilities are obeys nx square plus ny square plus nz square is equal to 27. So in that way you can calculate the energy level or allowed energy levels. This is the one part of the energy levels is completed up to normalization. After completion of normalization, you go through the density of allowed state. At what the energy levels is allowed, how much density is created. That allowed energy density can be calculated in our next class. So very lengthy derivation is created. Up to this you get the equations is 22 equations are we are deriving. So each and every, after that we can continue the equation numbers. So up to this I am completed normalization of the energy levels. After completion of normalization, you go through the density of energy levels. After that Fermi energy level. After that Fermi Dirac distribution. Each and every one you can explain. So equation number is continuing to 21 or 22. Okay.